Make a great choice today with the 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.